In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an event on Facebook step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up an online event or an in-person event in just a few minutes. This is perfect if you're planning a meetup, a live stream, a business launch, a birthday party, a community gathering, or any other event you want people to see and join on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy how-to videos just like this one. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Facebook and look for the menu button in the top right corner. This is where Facebook keeps a lot of its main features, including the events section. Once you click menu, scroll through the options and select events. This will take you to the events area where you can view upcoming events, discover events, and create your own. On the events page, look for the option that says create new event and click it. Facebook will then ask you what kind of event you want to make. At this point, you'll need to choose whether your event is online or in person. If your event is happening over Zoom, a live stream, a webinar, or any virtual platform, choose online. If your event is happening at a physical location like an office, restaurant, hall, park, or store, choose in person. After selecting the event type, the next step is to enter your event name. Try to make the name clear and easy to understand so people instantly know what the event is about. For example, you might name it something simple like Spring Networking Meetup, Products Launch Night, or Sunday Yoga Session. Once the name is in place, add the date and time. This is one of the most important parts because Facebook uses this information to show people when your event is happening. Double check the date, make sure the time is correct, and don't forget to confirm the time zone if needed. If your event is in person, you'll also need to add the location. Type in the full address or the exact place where the event will happen so guests can find it easily. If your event is online, you may not need a physical address, but you can still add details in the description to explain how people can attend. Next, add a description. This is where you can explain what the event is about, who it's for, what guests can expect, and any important instructions. A good description can help people feel more confident about joining, so keep it clear, useful, and inviting. You can also add a cover photo if you want to make the event look more professional and eye-catching. This part is optional, but it's a great way to make your event stand out in people's feeds. Choose an image that matches your event theme and looks good on mobile and desktop. After that, you'll need to choose the privacy setting. Facebook usually gives you options like public or private. If you want anyone to see and share the event, choose public. If you want to keep the event limited to invited guests or a specific group, choose private. Pick the setting that best matches your goal before moving on. Once all of your details are filled in, take a moment to review everything carefully. Check the event name, the date and time, the location, the description, the cover photo, and the privacy setting one more time to make sure everything looks right. When you're ready, click Create Event. Facebook will publish the event and it will be ready for people to view, share, and join. And that's it. You've successfully created an event on Facebook. From here, you can invite guests, share the link, and keep updating the event if anything changes. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.